I love this weird ass bird. What are you doing, Albert? Are you a bird in a bucket? What are you doing? What are you doing? Look how white he makes my hands. What are you birdies? What are you birdies? What are you birdies? Always gonna bird in a bucket. You do a bird in a bucket. Let me see those wings. Oh, he's so pretty. I love this bird. This weird ass bird fits in perfect in the house, in our family. What are you doing in there, Albert? I've spent hundreds of dollars in toys, and he wants a damn bucket. What are you doing in there, weirdo? You do, weirdo? You do, weirdo? You do, weirdo? You do, weirdo? Look at your pretty tail feathers. You weirdo? Okay. Say goodbye, Albert. Weirdo.